everyone, I hope you're keeping well. So today I went out to Home Depot because I had to get some floor cleaner, hardwood floor cleaner, and Winners and Marshalls and HomeSense were right beside it, so of course I had to check out those stores. I actually, a lot of this is cleaning products, like really good smelling cleaning products from HomeSense. So I'll start with what I purchased in Winners, and I did purchase a sweater. Now I love the color yellow. It's hard to find it in clothing. Either it's too bright or it's kind of a greenish yellowish color, which reminds me of something that comes out of a body. Yeah, it's just hard to find a nice soft butter yellow kind of color, which I really like. So I did spot this sweater in Winners, and it's just that nice soft butter yellow, and it had a really pretty kind of cable knit design. That's the front, and then that's the back. And this one, retail price, it was $68, and then they had it on for $30. So yeah, it's just that color I just like to wear year round. So yeah, I didn't see too many other clothes that really jumped out at me, but again, it's just kind of in between seasons there. So, and then HomeSense. So this HomeSense had a ton of Town Talk cleaning products, and it's a British company. I did feature them on previous hauls, and for some reason I can only find these Town Talks in that specific HomeSense. Once in a while I'll see maybe one or two in like a Winners or Marshalls, but it's mostly just in this one specific HomeSense. So yeah, they have wonderful, wonderful scents in their cleaners, and they clean really, really well. So the first one I did purchase was this floor cleaner, and it's a liter. And I did purchase their one floor cleaner, and it was in the scent, tea and lemon. Oh, it's ever smelled good. And then I found this one, and it is in the scent apple mint. Oh, and oh my gosh, does it ever smell good. It smells like apples. It smells like green apples, not red apples. It smells like green apples, and it's hard to find that scent in candles or anything. But yeah, it's a green apple scent. I don't get the mint myself, but maybe it's more green apple. But oh my gosh, does it ever smell good? And it doesn't smell like a cleaner. But oh boy, does that ever smell good. And then I found one in the scent Citrus Burst. So yeah, when I'm cleaning, I love burning like lemon scented candles, and anything lemon scented just smells just cleaner. Even if you have done a lousy job cleaning, at least it smells clean. Oh, and that one's good too. It doesn't have that really chemically cleaner smell to it. Oh, it's ever good. And yeah, like I said, the other one I have is tea and lemon. And then I did find these two wash up liquid cleansers. So this is just dishwashing soap basically. And I did find one in apple and pear when I previously found one, and oh my gosh, it is so good. Like I hand wash some of my dishes just to smell that. It is so good, the apple and pear. But this one is blackberry and fig, and I got two of those because oh my god, this smells so good. I love blackberry, blueberry, those really deep, rich scents. Oh my gosh, this is so good. I'm going to get high pretty soon smelling all these. Oh, but is that ever good? Oh, if you like those deep blackberry, blueberry scents, oh, that one's really good. And then I did get another Classic Tea window and mirror cleaner. So I have a few of these because I go through this quickly now that I can find them. I think I have like 3 backups or something of this. But it smells like tea. Not Earl Grey, it's kind of more breakfast tea, but it smells like tea. And man, is it ever good. And even though they smell nice and they don't have that overly chemically kind of smell, they really do clean really, really well. The dogs are always up at the front windows, their noses and their paws, checking to see who's coming and that. So, but this just cleans it up quite nicely. And then I did get a surface cleaner. This is in bergamot and lime. So I do have one of these, and I think I'm about 3/4 of the way through it. So this is just a general surface cleaner. You can use the bathroom or the kitchen or wherever. Now this one smells a little more like cleaner than some of these other ones, but it is nice and bright. And then I did get a window cleaner. This is Earl Grey and lavender. So they had one that was just straight up lavender, and it was very strong herbal lavender. I like this one a little bit better because it's mixed with that Earl Grey tea scent. So it's much more earthy kind of lavender. But I like them. Yeah, it's just a little more fun cleaning when things smell a little bit nicer. And then I did get this Bona. This is by Bona cabinet cleaner. So I did have one previously, but I'm pretty well out. And it was I think it was by Thomasville, which makes pretty good cleaners. But this one is supposed to be a very good company also for wood products. The other one's a cream, so I really had to kind of work it in and buff it. But this one's just a liquid spray. And it says it is specifically for cabinets, dries fast with no dulling residue, and easily removes fingerprints and that. So, yeah, I thought I'd give this one a try. It's quite a bit. You get, feels, yeah, almost a liter for $8.99. And then I did get, this is Puren. So these are kind of eco-friendly, and they're better for like when you have kids or pets and that sort of thing around. And they had like dishwashing liquid and floor cleaners and that. But this is the toilet cleaner. I know, exciting, right? With peppermint and lemon. And yeah, if you're going to have to wash the toilet, you might as well have it smelling like peppermint and lemon. And yeah, that's quite a large, good size. I think that's a liter also, and this was like $5 or something. And then I went into Home Depot, and we did buy some hardwood cleaner, now that most of our floors are hardwood now. And we did buy a small bottle of this Zap Hardwood and Laminate Floor Cleaner. So we bought the small bottle just to try it out with the spray. You just spray it on, you just use a dry mop, and it doesn't leave any streaks. It dries very, very quickly. We have 3 cockatiels flying around, and they poop on the floor, and bird poop's not always easy to clean up, but this stuff really does a good job. I mean, you just let it sit for a minute, and then it just wipes up that bird poop quite well. So yes, problems, eh? So yeah, I've found one of this small, it was about this size, of the hardwood cleaner, but it was like $10 for a liter. But this is close to 4 liters, and it was $20. For just $10 more, you get 3 times as much. So I got this big sucker, and I'll just refill the spray bottles as I need to. But yeah, this will last a little while. But I mean, at that price, you're saving a lot more than getting the spray bottle. So why not, eh? And then I really do like the Zap Floor Cleaner, and we did the grout cleaner by the company Zap 2, and it's an excellent product. If you have dirty grout, Zap, the grout cleaner, man, is it ever good. And you don't have to scrub and scrub and scrub. It just does the scrubbing for you. So I thought I'd try this foaming shower tub and tile cleaner by Zap. And yeah, they're not expensive either, these Zap products. They're really actually a pretty good price. So this removes soap scum, calcium, and dirt, clings to vertical surfaces, penetrates rust and hard water stains. So yeah, I'm kind of impressed with these Zap things. So actually I had a gift card in my wallet. I think it's been sitting in my wallet for like 2 years. This gift card from Home Depot. I can't even remember where we got it from. So I used that to purchase my hardwood cleaner anyhow. So that's it. Yeah, I'm going to be doing lots of cleaning. I'm all ready for spring cleaning. Though usually I do most of my cleaning in the winter time because, I mean, it's crappy outside half the time. So might as well stay in and clean. So yeah, I hope you guys can find this Town Talk company, the cleaners. Like I said, there's only like that one HOMESense that seems to carry these on a regular basis. So anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, nothing exciting, but yeah, if you're going to clean, might as well have it smell nice. So everyone take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.